Now, while Safari as an app cannot be uninstalled from your iPhone, it can go into hiding. If you're unable to find Safari in your iPhone, here's how to fix that. First up, you can try looking for Safari inside the home screen folders. You might have accidentally moved Safari from the main page to a folder. You should also swipe right or left inside the folders to check all the apps. If you find Safari inside a folder, long press it and drag it to the home screen. Secondly, you can use Spotlight on your iPhone to quickly find apps, contacts, settings, and more. To do that, go to the home screen of your iPhone and swipe down to open Search. Now type Safari. The Safari icon should show up in the search results. Simply touch and hold the Safari icon and drag it upwards slightly to go to the home screen. Lift your finger from the Safari icon to place it on the home screen. Alternatively, you can also find Safari inside the app library. From your iPhone's home screen, swipe left multiple times to go to the last screen till you reach the app library page. Tap on the search bar at the top. If you don't see the search bar, slightly swipe down. Now type Safari in the search bar. The Safari icon will appear in the search results. Touch and hold the Safari icon and drag it upwards to go to the home screen. Leave the Safari icon on the home screen, and it should be added back on the home screen. It is also likely that the Safari app was already on a home screen page, but that page has now been hidden. To unhide a home screen page on your iPhone, head over to the home screen and then touch and hold the page dots at the bottom until you see the thumbnails of your home screen. These pages that have check marks under them are enabled. Look for the page having the Safari browser and tap on the selection circle under it to enable it. That's it. Now go to your phone's home screen and you should see the Safari icon. There's also the possibility that the Safari icon is hidden due to screen restriction settings. To fix that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, and then navigate to Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on Allowed Apps. Now enable the toggle next to Safari, and that's it. Go to your home screen and you should see the Safari app. If you're still unable to find the Safari app on your home screen, it's time to reset the layout. This will delete folders that you have created on the home screen and put all the pre-installed Apple apps, including Safari, at their original location. It's worth noting that this will not uninstall any of the apps or remove any files from your iPhone, so no need to worry about that. Now, to reset your iPhone's home screen layout, head over to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, Reset Home Screen Layout. Hopefully, you are now able to find the Safari app icon on your iPhone's home screen. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.